Hello everyone, in this video I will show you 3 basic text animations that can level up your videos in Premiere Pro, and at the end I will give you a bonus text preset, so stay tuned and let's get started. So at first we have a scale text animation, so I will simply click the text button and type in my text. Once my text is typed, I will just double click on the text to select it and go to essential graphics, then scroll down and in the text section I will change its font. I will choose this font like this. You can also decrease the font size from here. I will go with this, then scroll down and in the fill options, you can change the color of this text like this. I will choose this color right here. Then you can also add stroke. I will not add this. Then go to effect controls and simply position this wherever you want like this. Now Now to create the scale animation, I will simply add a scale keyframe at the start of the text and then set the scale to 0. Then move a few frames like this and then make this 109, or I will choose 110, and it will give us this animation. Now I will just simply double click on these and then easy ease. Then you can also click here and you can adjust the graphs as well if you want. Our first animation will be like this, a scale animation like this. Nice. Now next we have another animation and it's called a position animation. It's pretty simple. Just add a position keyframe at the start and bring this upward from here, then move a few frames, then simply bring it down like this. Wherever you want to position it, you can adjust the scale as well. It won't affect the position properties. So this will give us this animation. You can move this keyframe further to make the animation slow or decrease to slowest. Then I will select those two and then again tramp and ease in, and it will give us this animation right here. You can again adjust the graphs as well. And the one I like, the third one, is called the opacity. So I will just add a, you can also try this with scale or any animations you want. So for this I will simply add a scale and make the scale 0, then move a few frames and also make the scale to 100, and I will make it 120. So this is our simple animation, and I will just double click and ease in to make the animation smooth like this. Now at the start I will also add an opacity keyframe. You can scroll down and check the opacity right here and make the opacity to 0. Then move to the this position and make the opacity to 100. Now this will give us this animation. It will be a bit blurry and slow. You can also try this with positions as well. And now the bonus tip and bonus text presets, you can find this on my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. So I will go within effects. You can find this and you will simply right click import preset and it will show you here, and I will simply drag this right here, and now you can see our animation is like this. If you want to make it slow or fast, you can simply fast blur and go to these properties, select these keyframes and drag them forward as well, and for this one too. So our animation will be, you can use this as captions. These are very trending caption style like this. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.